You guys, welcome back. Are there foods that smell funky but taste delicious to you? Let me know in the comments below. Today I'll be seasoning fermented fish sauce that's used in spicy salads like papaya salad and various dips. This seasoned sauce is added into foods widely in Laos and Isaan, the northeastern part of Thailand. It's incredibly umami, funky, and robust, creating so much depth of flavor. Let's get started. These are the ingredients needed to make this seasoned fermented fish sauce. This is shrimp paste, used for its complex, shrimpy umami flavor. And crab paste, which will add a deeper color and a seafood briny flavor. And the star of this sauce, which is this fermented fish sauce known as Pla Ra or Padaek, which is very different from fish sauce. It's unfiltered fish sauce that's been fermented, very funky, but there's nothing else like it. We got fish sauce, pickled garlic and its juice. It doesn't have a strong garlic flavor, but it has smooth acidity and aroma. Pineapple. This is just the core, but I ended up using a quarter of the whole pineapple, including the whole core. And MSG for that magical umami. Tamarind liquid is easy to make. Take some seedless tamarind pulp, add some hot water, mash and dissolve as much pulp as you can. Strain it, and here you have it, tamarind liquid, which we'll use in a bit. You can use freshwater crab, which will most likely come frozen at the store, but the alternative are these salted crabs, which also come frozen, but fermented in salt water to produce a briny flavor. There's a few mashed chilies that came with it too, but I washed most of them out because they're not necessary for this recipe. The biggest tip I can give you is to cook this outside. Trust me, the smell is pungent and it will stink up your home. On medium heat, let's add in all of the ingredients. There's no particular order, they'll all be thrown in and boiled together anyway. Skim off some of the foam. And some more pineapple. Pineapple doesn't really make this sweet, nor does it make it taste like pineapple. The pineapple acts to mellow out the smell of all of these robust ingredients, giving it more of a nice aroma. You don't need to cover this, but I'm using a screen to prevent anything from falling in while I'm cooking this outdoors. Once everything is in and mixed together, simmer this on medium-low heat for 45 minutes. Strain the sauce. And pour it into a sterilized glass jar. Here we have it, seasoned fermented fish sauce ready to be added to papaya salad. Yes, it is salty and it's rich in umami flavors. It's funky and robust. Thank you so much for watching this. Please give this video a like and leave me a comment below. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.